Hello, this is Mr. Spudek. This is the problem that I tell people to make sure they know how to do. The train and the whistle and figuring out the sound, and this is on the simple motion problems in my worksheet. The idea for this problem is that you're going to have two separate problems, the train problem and the sound problem. And you basically just want to treat them as separate problems. So we're going to put a line down the middle, and the last thing we will do is figure out the difference in the times. First, let's deal with the train. I've already converted it to 83 meters per second. I guess I'll do another video if I need to help people with converting. But we'll have that the velocity of the train is 83 meters per second. The displacement is 360 meters, and we need to figure out the time. So we're going to use our basic formula that we had before, that velocity, and I'm learning how to use this on a mouse, sorry, is equal to displacement divided by time. That's going to be the same equation for both. So when we have that formula, I need to solve for time. So I will multiply both sides by t. And that cancels out the t on this side. I know some of us need to practice with our algebra. So now we have t times v is equal to displacement okay. And now we need to still get t by itself, so now we'll move the v over. So this time we're going to divide both sides by v. Oops, that's an ugly v, sorry. And v, gone, gone. And all we have left is time equals displacement divided by velocity. Okay, that's the same thing we have to do, same equation that we have to use on this side. All right, so now we're ready to plug in the numbers. So displacement on this side is 360 meters. Divided by the velocity. Velocity is 83. 83. You plug that in, and you'll get 360 divided by 4.37 or 4.34. There we go. All right, same thing over here, same exact equation. I've already done the algebra. So displacement here will now be again 360. Velocity in this case is 330. And we get 360 divided by 330, 1.09. Okay, that's really, really ugly, sorry. Okay, so now to figure out the difference in times, you just subtract them. So it'll be the time of the train minus the time of the sound. And we get 4.34 minus 1.09. You get 3.25. Okay, hope that helps.